Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. Ew. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay. I feel like I haven't made a video in forever, but I think it's only been like a week since I posted a video. Okay y'all, so this is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing. Ooh, sis. Can you see it? By Lace Carpet Premier. It's a lace front wig. The style says RCP775 Bea, and I got it in the color 1. I think all the information is right there. So I got this wig because everybody was asking about the human hair wig that I had. It's like wavy. It was in a video where it was synthetic hair versus human hair or something like that. I think that's what I named that shit. But yeah, it was in that video and everybody was asking me like, oh, what hair is it? I thought it was your hair, whatever. Even on Snapchat, everybody was asking me what hair it was. So I thought I'd try to get like a more affordable version of that, and I think this looks pretty close, so we gonna see. This is the little card that comes in it. Oh look, it got instructions on the back. That's cute. So this is the wig right here. Let me show you the cap construction. It has 2 combs on each side of the part. 1 comb in the back and also adjustable straps. Here is the parting space. Pretty decent. The part looks like it doesn't need that much work, but we still gonna do it because you already know. I did do the same process on every wig and every video, but I don't know, I just feel like y'all want to see it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Of course I'm going to pluck the part, and I'm also going to cut the lace off. This is the same thing as usual, nothing different. I'm just pulling hair from the part. Take a few pieces at a time. You don't want to take a whole bunch and like get a hole in your lace like I did with the last wig. Alright y'all, so this is how much hair I ended up taking from the part. This is what the part looks like now. Popping. Yeah, so I'm going to cut the lace off and then I'll come back with the wig on my head, shorty. Okay, so this is the wig on my head. I do have a nude stocking cap on under this. That's why it already looks like this. It's not tangling. Let's see if we're shedding. I do have shedding. I do. Y'all can't even see that shit, but there's shedding. The part looks really good. Maybe put a piece behind my ear. It is cute. Me personally though, I will cut it to like about right here, and that'd be really cute to me. It does kind of mimic the wig I had, the human hair one. It's not exactly the same. It is longer, but the wavy pattern is cute. Let me still put some powder in this part. My toothbrush, I'm gonna brush my edges out a little bit more. it's just my two braids underneath this, making it not flat. Unless we want to go for more of a messy look. It's cute. Me personally, I would just want it to be flat. So if you want to, you can go with your flat iron, and you can like flat iron the top. Since the waves don't like start till down here, you can like flat iron the top to try to get it to lay flatter. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I do think it's cute. Like I said, I'm not getting any tangles. Oh, just got one tangle, but it's not that bad at all. Overall though, I do think it's a cute wig. The parting is nice once you pluck it. You can easily put out your edges and blend it, make it look natural. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. If you enjoy it, I did get this wig from vivatress.com. I will leave the link down in the description box for y'all if you want to go and check it out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the shit out of your screen right where that subscribe button is, and you might as well hit the notification bell because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict, okay? Also, before you leave, be sure to follow me on all of my social media platforms. They will be down in the description box for y'all, okay? Adios.